The mobile network is not available on my Xiaomi device. Let's see how to solve this problem. The first method. Go to the settings. Now you have to reset your all network settings. If the first method doesn't work, you can try the second method. Second method. Remove SIM card from mobile. Now clean the SIM card connecting plate using an eraser. Insert the SIM cards into the mobile after cleaning them well. Now reboot your mobile one time. If your mobile doesn't get network after doing these two methods, then your mobile or SIM card is damaged.